Hello guys, once again welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a motorbike helmet in 3ds Max, pretty easy and simple way to create a helmet of any type. Create a box with required segments and adjust the height, width and length according to your reference image, or you can also create it without a reference image, because we will turn this to a spherical shape so there will be less chances or any sort of distortions. When you are set with the segments and the proportions, it is time to add the Spherify modifier to turn out the box into a spherical shape. In the side view, adjust some of the vertices if they are not in order. And delete some unnecessary extra faces to create an opening for the helmet. Now adjust the vertices along the shape of your reference image and make sure the vertices are following the reference image, or if you don't use reference image, just make sure you have a good looking proportion around the edges of the helmet. Add FFD modifier of 4 by 4 if the bottom part of the helmet is narrow. Select the control points from the modifier panel and select the bottom control points and adjust them according to your taste. It is time to create the rubber part of the helmet on the edges around the opening area of the helmet. Now select all the polygon faces and apply insert operation and adjust the size so it would look decent. Once you are done with the edges of the helmet, it is time to add some thickness to our helmet. From the modifier list, select the shell modifier and adjust the thickness according to your need. Play with the outer and inner thickness and adjust the preferred thickness. Once you are done the thickness of the helmet, now convert again to editable poly to preserve the shape. Select all the faces around the opening edges of the helmet so we can extrude it to create that rubber part. Adjust the height of the extrude. Select all the extruded edges around the opening part of the helmet and use chamfer operation to have a bit more smoother edges around the area. It is time to add a bit more of detail on front part of the helmet, so we can add some texts when start creating textures for it. Select some of the faces on the front part of the helmet and extrude it, and adjust the height. Select those edges around the newly extruded polygons and use chamfer operation to smooth out the edges around the area. If you want to add some more details inside the helmet, select some of the inner faces inside and bevel them just to add a bit more details, or you can add some foam materials to show the inside part when texturing. Once you are happy with overall shape of the helmet, now you can add mesh smooth if you want to have a high poly version. If you want it to be a low poly version, you can leave it here and start UV unwrapping in any application of your choice for texturing. I have finished texturing the helmet, and here is my end result. If you would like to have a tutorial on texturing, please do let me know in comments. Set up light based on your rendering engine and see if you have got your desired look and feel. Keep practicing. Practice makes you perfect. Try with different real-world objects. Probably you will fail many times, but the end result will be success at the end of the day. Whatever you learn, keep sharing your knowledge with others and be a kind pro 3D artist. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials like this in the future. Your likes and subscriptions means the world to me.